Is there anything better than making money while asleep? Well, who wouldn't want to wake up to an overflowing amount in their account? Thanks to passive income, all of this can become a reality. Join us in today's video as we walk you through the path of passive income. Welcome to Luxury Mojo, where you can stay up to date with the latest motivation to grow up financially and cultivate your luxury lifestyle. Before I push through with today's video, please take a moment to go down, hit the subscribe button, and click the bell to get notified for new uploads. Passive income is a choice if you're willing to stay committed, to earn effortless amounts for years. Stay with us till the end. We'll walk you through the passive income and give you ideas for a good start in the game. So what exactly is passive income? One of the simplest ways to achieve financial independence is to restructure your life so that a significant portion of your income is not earned actively through your labor. You have to gain passive income to achieve this. Passive income is money earned from projects in which you do not actively participate. In a nutshell, passive income refers to the concept of making money work for you. Would the idea of making money with little to no work appeal to you? Passive income is widely sought after, but it is often misunderstood. Here are some things you should know when earning passive income. Passive income sources necessitate an initial commitment, as well as a lot of nurturing. With some time and effort, these income sources begin to grow. They will sustain themselves, giving you steady revenue with no effort on your side. All passive income sources would require at least one of the two following elements: a monetary investment made up front, or an initial time investment. You cannot obtain residual income unless you are able to have at least one of these two things. Now that you know what it takes to build a passive income, here are some ideas and strategies that you can apply. Selling information products. As a starter, you can begin by selling information products. One common approach for passive income is to create an information service, such as an ebook or an audio or video lesson, and then sit back and watch the money roll in. Courses can be distributed and sold on sites like Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera. Since money can be made quickly after the initial outlay of time, information services can have an outstanding income stream. Dividend stocks. Shareholders in businesses with dividend-paying stocks earn a payment from the company daily. Companies pay cash dividends out of their earnings quarterly, and all you have to do is own the stock. Dividends are paid on a per-share basis, meaning the more shares you hold, the greater your dividend. Owning dividend-paying securities may be one of the most passive ways to make money when the gain is unrelated to any activity other than the initial financial investment. The money will be paid directly into your investment account. Create an app. Creating an app may be a way to make an initial time investment and then enjoy the benefits over time. Your application could be a game or one that assists smartphone users with a difficult task. Users will download the software after it is made public, and you will earn money. If you can create something that piques your audience interest, an app has many potentials. Suppose the app becomes popular, or you get reviews. In that case, you will most likely need to add new functionality to make it interesting and popular. So you'll need to think about ways to make the most money out of your app. Buy property. Real estate can be a great way to make passive income depending on when you purchase and what you buy. By purchasing pre-construction condos, you will be able to find some lower-cost properties that will appreciate in value by the time it is built, allowing you to sell the land at a profit after it is completed. It can be risky, as with any investment, so if you're new to the game, talk with a real estate agent to help you find the right investment property. Run a blog. Blogging is the most common source of passive income. Blogging has allowed countless entrepreneurs to gain passive income through affiliate links, courses, sponsored blogs, merchandise, book deals, and other means. You should be aware that a successful blog will require a bit of effort up front. However, it is one of the most sustainable ways to create an audience through social content or through creating an email list. The most significant advantage of starting a blog is that it can generate several streams of income. So, if you're looking for a simple way to create passive income, blogging may be the best choice for you. These are just a handful in a vast range of options. There are other things that you could try and search for that best suit your skills and interest. Before we head on to the other half of the video, please take a moment to leave us a like and share this informative video. Now that you've done that, let's look into some of the reasons why it's a great idea to seek passive income. Aside from raising money without serving, another significant benefit of passive income is that it is often taxed more favorably than active income. Passive income is appealing because it frees up your time so you can devote it to something that you love. Many jobs require you to work the same number of hours year after year to earn the same amount of money and sustain the same lifestyle. When inflation is considered, you must either receive wage increases or work more hours to sustain their present salary. Passive income supplements a worker's salary, encourages them to work fewer hours, has the same wage rate, or transforms their lifestyle. There are several advantages of developing a method of generating passive income. For some of us, retirement is something that can be attained only later in life. However, if you create any sources of passive income, retirement might not be as far away as you thought. With extra money, you can broaden your wealth-building base, making it possible to retire early. Additionally, it can be a backup plan if you lose your job, or it can be an alternative in case you outlive your retirement plan. Nothing is worse than the stress that comes with not being able to pay the bills. It induces anxiety, fear, and a general sense of hopelessness about the future. All these concerns are alleviated by passive income. It helps bring worries to rest when you are not afraid of losing your job or being a victim of corporate downsizing. When you don't have to think about impending financial disasters, you feel better not only mentally and emotionally, but it also turns into physical productivity. Passive income aids in the development of significant financial power in life. Finally, passive income serves as a foundation for financial stability and development. When your income is automatic and you don't have to stress about covering your bills at the end of the month by exchanging your direct time for money, you have more time to dream about and discover new opportunities to improve and develop your financial security. It allows you to analyze topics such as taxes, investments, and other portfolios. These aid in the development of your fiscal clarity in your head, propelling you against your financial objectives. Whatever perspective you take, the value of passive income cannot be underestimated. What more can you ask for? Your goal to achieve financial independence is here on Passive Income. That's about it for this video. If you find this helpful, leave us a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Share your thoughts in the comments down below. See you at the next video.